Did you hear that? That's the sound of your home theater system getting a major upgrade. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward, and I'm back again with another episode of Unbox This. Today, I'm getting into the Yamaha YHT 4950 UBL 5.1 channel home theater system, a cinematic quality sound system at a reasonable price point. The Yamaha Home Theater sound system is going to bring you sound so powerful you'll feel like you're at the movies. They call it a home theater in a box system. It combines a powerful AV receiver with 5 speakers, a subwoofer, and a speaker wire. Once you order it, it'll be delivered to your doorstep in one single box. And that box is right here, so let's unbox this. I'm going to start by flipping this over onto its side. Okay, I flipped the box over onto its side to make it easier to get all of the speakers out, so let's slice into it. Okay, here we have one box. This looks like a bracket. Here we have product registration, an information pamphlet, and the limited warranty information. I'm gonna set this box off to the side and remove everything else from this larger box. Here we have one of the speakers. Okay. Here we have the subwoofer. Here we have more speakers. Here we have more speakers. This is the owner's manual. Okay, let's unbox this. They provide you with an easy setup guide. Here we have the quick start guide for the AV receiver. Here we have a variety of wires and cables, plus a remote. And this is the AV receiver. Yamaha made it super easy for regular people like you and me to get movie theater quality sound in our living rooms. With 5 speakers and a subwoofer, you're set up to get sound from every angle. You get 1 center channel, 2 front channels, and 2 surround speakers to give you clear, incredible sound. You can set these up in the way that best suits your listening preferences. Of course, spacing your speakers out evenly is the best way to do it, but if you're working with a difficult space and that's not possible, Yamaha has you covered. YPOW analyzes your room's acoustics and your system and then automatically adjusts various audio parameters to optimize the sound to your space. It's precise and enables you to get the best sound possible. If you're unable to place the speakers in a way that physically surrounds you, the virtual 5-channel surround sound still gives you the experience of sound that's swirling around you despite the speakers being placed at the front of your room. The Yamaha Home Theater sound system boasts full 4K Ultra HD HDMI support. It's compatible with all the latest HDMI standards. The AV receiver delivers transmission of 4K video at 60 frames per second pass-through. It also supports HDR video with Dolby Vision. For those of you bass fiends, you will love the Yamaha sound system's rich bass reproduction. The low-range enhancement technology gives you that deep, rich bass you love. It's Bluetooth compatible too, so you get wire-free music listening. That means you can throw the dance party of your dreams with music to match. You guys know I love a good eco-friendly moment, and the Yamaha Home Theater sound system gives you that with Eco Mode. When it's turned on, it can reduce power consumption by about 20% thanks to an energy-saving design. That's nothing major, it's just a nice bonus. The Yamaha Home Theater sound system delivers unparalleled sound in an easy-to-install, unobtrusive 5-speaker home setup. Hear every sneaking footstep in your game, every breath coming from the characters in your movie, every musical note in your favorite song with this 5.1 channel home theater sound system. Do you want to get the surround sound experience? Shop the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!